What happens when a supercar maker and a Formula One team put their heads together? The ultra-limited, tremendously exotic, £2.5 million Aston Martin AMR B001, built in conjunction with the Red Bull F1 team. Unveiled at the iconic British carmaker's Gaydon headquarters today, the extreme model is said to be capable of lapping the Silverstone circuit in the same time as an F1 car. Aston has committed to building between 99 and 150 road cars, and 25 track-only versions, which will cost between £2 million and £3 million, and require a £500,000 deposit. That means this fire-breathing 900 bhp V12 motor will be fitted with a number plate, and need and mow when it's delivered to owners in 2018. The AMR B001 is the brainchild of Aston's chief creative officer, Marek Reichman, and Red Bull Racing's technical buffin Adrian Newey. Powering the car is a mid-mounted naturally aspirated V12 engine, not related to the twin-turbo 5.2-liter motor that will power the brand's all-new DB11 sports car. It will also feature an F1-inspired energy recovery system to harvest kinetic energy collected through braking. But despite the covers coming off the all-new hypercar, Aston refrained from stating performance information for the vehicle, though many are predicting 900 bhp and a 900 kg weight, meaning a 1:1 power-to-weight ratio. For those in the know, that means yikes. For those who are wondering what it means, it will be very quick, but much of Newey's race-bred wizardry isn't focused on power, but has been dedicated to the mastery that's underneath the svelte body. That's because the AMR B001 has a revolutionary floor design that wraps around the underside of the cabin, at the front, and hugs the bottom of the engine bay near the back. As admitted by Aston's Q branch chief designer, Miles Nurnberger, it looks like a catamaran with wheels, not a car. It also has race car-like front and rear diffusers to help pin the lightweight chassis to the tarmac at speed. Entry to the AMR B001 will be via gullwing doors. The steering wheel will also come off to make getting seated easier. And there are no wing mirrors to obscure the outrageously futuristic looks of the vehicle. The driver will be able to see what's alongside him or her with the aid of rear-facing cameras. 2 different models will be produced, both in limited numbers, though more road-going versions will come off the production line than track-only tools. But there will be differences between the two. Not only will track models get a bigger airfoil, chunkier tires and wider front wings, they'll also benefit from carbon fiber F1-derived suspension and have a designated, no-holds-barred track mode to calibrate the car to its maximum performance. And expect the finished product to have more Formula One tested technology when it arrives in 2018, as Newey admitted the car has fulfilled a goal of his to create a car for the street. He said, "I've long harbored the desire to design a road car. I've always been adamant that the AMR B001 should be a true road car that's also capable of extreme performance on track, and this means it really has to be a car of 2 characters. That's the secret we're trying to put into this car, the technology that allows it to be docile and comfortable, but with immense outright capabilities." Reichman added, "Working so closely alongside Adrian and an organization like Red Bull Racing is a fabulous experience. By definition, the objectives we've set for the car ensures there has never been an Aston Martin, or any car, actually, quite like the AMR B001. The shared challenge has been finding that magical tipping point, where we achieve the most efficient engineering solutions, and the most beautiful styling solutions without any compromises." First prototype versions of the AMR B001 will begin a brutal test schedule next year before going into full production. According to Dr. Andy Palmer, CEO at Aston Martin, 300 individuals have expressed an interest in buying one. Many have even committed to having a road and a track-only version. Buying one won't be cheap, though. Palmer said each will cost between £2 and £3 million and will require a £500,000 deposit. He said, "The AMR B001 is a truly remarkable project and something of which I'm extremely proud. As the project gathers pace, it's clear the end result will be a truly history-making hypercar that sets incredible new benchmarks for packaging, efficiency and performance, and an achievement that elevates Aston Martin to the very highest level.